Hello class, I wanted to post a video to clear up any confusion you might be having for this week's final assignment for the BDP. What you are actually submitting is 4 files saved as PDFs, and what they are is a pathway for each of your choices. In your BDP prep assignments that you filled out, you chose a college for your first choice and a college for your second choice. You also have 2 majors for each college. So that's where we get the number 4. You'll be turning in your major pathway at your first college, your second choice major at your first college, and then your first choice major at your second college, and your second choice major at your second college. So in order to find the pathways, you need to visit your college's website. Some colleges who participate in the CAA you can find via the CAB website at JCC. So I'm going to post an announcement that will give you the link for the Center for Academic Planning website, and what you'll do is if you scroll down, you'll find a link on the left-hand side that says Transfer Services, and here it says College and University Information. Click here to find information about majors, transfer pathways, and transfer course equivalencies. So we've been talking about BDPs since the first week of this semester. As mentioned previously, a BDP is your pathway. It lists all of the courses that you're required to take in order to obtain your degree at your college. The reason that we like to get your BDPs saved and entered into your files is because if the college decides to revamp the program and they change 4 or 5 courses, if you have it in your academic file, you'll be grandfathered in and locked into that pathway that you found at that time. That way, if you start taking classes at JCC that will transfer to and count for your program, even if they go and change it, you would still be okay and you would not need to repeat those classes. If you don't have it in your folder or your file, then you would need to repeat those classes, which would take extra energy, money, and time, and I don't think anyone wants to do that. So if you click on college and university information, some of the colleges are listed here. I know a popular one that a lot of people choose is NC State. So if I find NC State on here, I can just scroll down to transfer pathway, click on that, and here are the CAA baccalaureate degree plans. I scroll down and I see my list of degree plans, and I just have to find the one that I'm looking for. So if I'm looking for elementary education, a bachelor's of science, I click on it. Sorry, one second. Okay, I click on it and it pulls this up. North Carolina Community College Baccalaureate Degree Pathway Plan. So it shows you that if you start at a community college, this is what you should be doing your first year. It even breaks it down to fall and spring, second year, fall and spring. And then once you transfer, it gives you the rest of the classes that you'll need to take. Okay? It gives you the total number of credit hours required for graduation within that major. This one is 123. This can be found on the school's webpage. As I mentioned, that CAP website at JCC, if you notice, all it did was take me to the admissions page at NC State University website. So you can go ahead and just Google whichever college choices you have and then look for the undergraduate admissions page and look for the pathways or degree plans that they would have listed. And it needs to just say all of the courses required in order to obtain that degree. They will not all look exactly the same. They may not break it down to community college and then the transfer college, but as long as they list all of the required courses, that's what we're looking for. So now you need to save the page. You can't attach the link because that link might become broken at some point. So if you right click on it and you click Save As, the file type is a PDF, and then there's a certain format that you need to save it, which is listed in your, in your instructions over here. It says Students must name each of their PDFs with the following naming convention: last name, first name, name of university, and name of the program. Okay? So if I go to right click, save as, I would save it as Rivera, Megan, NC State Elementary Education. Okay? And then you just save it to your computer, and when you have all 4 of them saved, then you go back to this week's assignment, click on the link, and then you upload all 4 of the files right here. Browse my computer, and I look for my file, Rivera, Megan, NC State Elementary Education, and then I just click on it again, browse my computer, and I find the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, and then you click submit. It won't allow me to do so because I'm in my instructor one right now, and that's how you complete this week's assignment. Okay, so if anyone has any further questions, please let me know, and I hope that this video was helpful for you.